In this video, let's look at another higher order thinking problem based on the concept of inverse trigonometric functions. We already know some formulas and some numerical problems and the approach how to solve them from the knowledge of our previous videos. Let's see what this question has to say and let's get started with the solution. Let's read the question together. If tan inverse x is equal to pi by 10 for some x belongs to R, find the value of cot inverse x. Let's write the solution together. Most of you might have already remembered the usage of the formula that we are going to use here is what? It is tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. We have already studied this formula, and since it is a formula, I write it in a box. We are going to use the same formula. What is tan inverse x? It is pi by 10. Put the values. What is cot inverse x? It is required for us to find out. We write just cot inverse x. Pi by 2 remains as it is. It's a constant quantity. Finally, what is cot inverse x? Cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. And pi by 10 positive here goes to the other side, becomes negative. It is simple mathematics. Take the LCM, LCM goes 10, 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 5 pi minus 10 ones are 10, 1 pi is a pi. So it is 4 pi upon 10, which is nothing but 2 pi upon 5. So the answer to this numerical problem is 2 pi upon 5. What did we do? We basically used the formula. What was the formula? Tan inverse theta plus cot inverse theta is equal to pi by 2.